Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where you guys can create a very high quality do follow article submission or blog submission backlink. So the website name is telegra.ph and I can show you process for the backlinking on that website. So before that we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya the domain rating is 88 and according to SimilarWeb this website having 24.8 million monthly traffic and the mostly traffic from Russia, Ukraine, USA, Germany and the Belarus. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you want to consider, you can consider. And also the thing is, these websites can provide a do follow backlink and the crawlability for your article or your blog submission activity. Okay. So this is a website dashboard. There is no any requirement you guys can create profile or the maintain profile. You can simply publish your article on that website easily. Okay. So you can see, so this is my article. So I wanted to create a cluster backlink for this article. So simply I can copy my overall blog content, okay, and I can going to take help Cloudy or Chat GPT to rephrase this article. And we'll wait a couple of seconds to this is going to rephrase this article and also add H2 and H3 headings. So you guys can see our article is generated. So simply I can going to copy okay. So sorry. So this is my blog article. So simply I can copy this article title and I can paste it over there. There you guys can add your brand name. So Jobma, and there you guys can add a banner. Okay. So simply let me download it, and there I can going to update. Yeah, so I have added a banner image. From there now you guys can start adding your content. Let me check. So this is a H1 or H2. Okay, so this is a big title and this is a smaller one. Okay, once you guys can add your article, so next thing is you guys can insert a hyperlink for your websites or your keyword. So where we can add, so this is okay, so recruitment and the staffing services. Yeah, so the guide to recommends first identifying your target audience for businesses and the professionals. So there I can going to insert this blog URL and you can see there I have added, and let me check if is there any another relevant keyword for that kind I can refer my service page. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every business should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So I think not. Improve visibility and engagement on social media. I think this is a good. So where we can insert this one, na? And also I can make it bold, and from there I can going to remove HR agencies. Okay, so you guys can check if any keywords. So you guys can spend some time for the hyperlinking. Once you guys can complete these things, then you guys have to click for the publish button, and you can see easily your article is published on that website. And I can also show you in incognito. So you can see this is not an incognito, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you can see it's a 100% do follow backlink with contextual. So it's a high quality backlink. So must you guys have to consider this website for the article submission activity. Okay, and the process is article submission are very simple. So for your blogs, you have already published your blogs. For your cluster backlink, you can consider this one. Okay, you guys can easily generate a copied content or the paraphrased content, and you guys can paste it over there. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are you friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can connect me easily. And also I'm from Adeli. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.